Hello Paul, this is Dewan Hasan and this is my final assignment for software programming. So in this assignment we'll be using 7 functions for the unit conversions, and then we will be calling the functions in a switch statement and the void setup to run the application. So in the void setup here I have used some variables, local variables here for the unit conversions, and over here I have the switch statement inside 2 nested while loops. So the switch statement has 6 cases for the 6 unit conversions, and for the 7th one, the one that we get to exit the program, we can just press 0, and we will be able to exit the program. So, and then over here, I'll just explain the switch statement later. I'll just go on with the functions first. So over here we have the first function, which is the menu function. This is just a basic function that will just help us display the menu thing, and that's it. So over here we have the meter function, and this function will be able to enter the value of the meter, and then it will help us convert the value of the meter to feet. So over here I've used a string, and then I've converted the string to float, which will help us enter the value of the meter. And then over here I have a formula set here for the conversion of the meter to feet, and then it will display the convert value of the meter to feet. So this is the function over here done, and the other 5 functions, the 6 unit conversions, are over here, and these are basically the same thing, the same process for the other functions. These are gonna help us convert the values, these functions. And the 7th function here is the menu function, which will just help us display the menu, and that's it. Okay, so over here we have the switch statements. In the first case, I've called in the meter function, which will help us enter the value of the meter and then convert the meter to feet. And then it will display, I've called in the menu function here, so it will display the menu again after we're done with the meter function. And this will keep repeating. If you choose 3, case 3 will convert from miles to kilometers. I've called in the miles function here for converting from miles to kilometers, and then it will display the menu again. But until you decide to exit the program, you just choose 0, and then you will exit from the program, and it won't repeat again. And that's it. I think these are the 6 cases for the 6 unit conversion functions. Anyway, so I'll just get into the serial monitor. I'll just start the simulation. So over here is the menu, and I'll be able to choose from any of those. So I'll just press 3 to convert miles to kilometers. Just enter the value of miles. Choose 5 kilometers and converts to kilometers. Sorry, I've chosen 5 miles and it converts to kilometers, 8.05 kilometers. So then and then the menu pops up again. This time I'll choose 4 kilometers to miles. I'll choose 8.05 just to be sure. And it's converted to miles, 5 miles. So you can choose any of the following here. If I choose 5 Fahrenheit to Celsius, and it will keep going on until you decide to exit the program. So if you want to exit the program, just press 0, and the program ends. Thank you for using the application. And I think that's it. That's it for the assignment. I think. I hope everything's fine, and that's it. That's the assignment done. I think that's the semester done. Just a portfolio thing left. Anyway, that's it. I think. Thank you, Paul. Thanks for everything, and I hope you enjoy your Christmas. Thank you.